Listen, bro. The truth might feel uncomfortable, but honestly, the issue isn't your salary. The problem is your money psychology. Every month you work so hard, right? And yeah, money comes in, but you don't even realize where it disappears. And in the end, your bank balance goes back to zero. Again, right? This isn't a coincidence, bro. It's a pattern, a cycle that repeats every single month. And behind this pattern are 7 dangerous money psychology traps. Trap 1. Income illusion. You think if you earn more, you'll get rich. But as your income increases, your lifestyle levels up too. Trap 2. Instant gratification. You don't want to wait, you want everything instantly. Every unnecessary spend gives you short-term happiness, but in the long run, it makes you weaker. Trap 3. Social comparison. You copy other people's highlight reels, and in that process, you ignore your current reality. Trap 4. No financial education. School taught you how to earn, but never taught you how to grow money. Trap 5. Fear of investing. You're scared of risk. And that's normal. Everyone is. But in trying to stay safe, you end up taking the biggest risk on yourself. Trap 6. Debt normalization. EM is feel normal now. Every EMI quietly eats into your future income. Trap 7. No long-term vision. You make decisions for today's comfort. Rich people think long-term. They sacrifice for the future. If you understand these traps, then anyone who has watched this video from the start can change their financial life. Because financial freedom doesn't start with salary. It starts with the right mindset.